What factors influence Bitcoin's price? Bitcoin (BTC/USD) is a cryptocurrency created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, the moniker given to the virtual currency's anonymous creator, or creators. Transactions are recorded on a blockchain, which reveals the history of each unit's transactions and establishes ownership. One Bitcoin is not issued by a central bank or backed by a government, unlike traditional currencies. Because Bitcoin is not a corporation, acquiring a Bitcoin is not the same as purchasing a stock or bond. As a result, no corporate balance sheets or Form 10-Ks are available. The whole supply of 21 million Bitcoins has already been distributed. Even if it appears that they do, miners do not produce new Bitcoins. When Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin in January 2009, he actually released all 21 million Bitcoins. A miner's primary responsibility is to protect the network and process Bitcoin transactions. Every 10 minutes, a successful miner solves a cryptographic challenge and is permitted to add a new block to the Bitcoin blockchain. Satoshi Nakamoto made a unilateral offer to anyone wanting to fulfill his agreement to distribute Bitcoin v0.1 in the release announcement. Miners would be rewarded in the form of Bitcoins if they followed Bitcoin's regulations in terms of securing the network and processing Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network's nodes, allowing them to adhere to the same set of rules and reach consensus. Visit bitcoin.org to learn more about the Bitcoin Core project. What is Bitcoin Core, and what is its purpose? Bitcoin Core is nothing more than free software. Anyone can look at the code, comment on it, and suggest changes. Furthermore, anyone with a copy of the code can modify it as they see fit. On GitHub, you can inspect the code. Bitcoin Core is run by WHO. Despite the fact that anyone can suggest code changes, not all of them are implemented in Bitcoin Core. Instead, each proposed modification is thoroughly reviewed and debated before the community decides whether to accept or reject it. These talks are open to anybody, and decisions are made by consensus. Understanding the factors that influence Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin, unlike traditional currencies, is neither issued by a central bank or backed by a government. As a result, monetary policy, inflation rates, and economic growth statistics that traditionally influence currency value do not apply to Bitcoin. The following factors, on the other hand, have an impact on Bitcoin.